Hey there, welcome to Bob's Cooking and Stuff. Today we're on the griddle. We're going to make a loaded smashed baked potato. We've got steak, onions, cheese, sour cream. It's going to be delicious. Stay tuned. Okay, we're going to start out by dicing up some green onions. Let's get all this level at the beginning. The list of the ingredients are in the description below. Now we're going to cut up our onion. We're not going to cut them too thin so that they can handle the heat from the griddle. Okay, we're going to take our onions and put them in the bowl so that we can take them outside later. We'll break them up a little bit as we go. Okay, we're going to season our steaks. Some pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, caramelized onion butter seasoning, and garlic and herb seasoning. Tenderize that and beat the seasoning into the meat. Okay, now we're gonna cut our steaks up into cubes. Okay, we've got the grill up to temperature and we put down some bacon up over here for our onions. We'll put those on first. Put down just a little bit of salt on them, not much. That salt was just to help them render some water, get some of the water out of them. And then we're going to put some pepper. Just get them good and coated in the bacon up. Now we're going to come down with some more bacon up. These burners are on medium high. We want to get a sear on these steaks. A little more garlic and herb. A little more black pepper. Okay, now we're going to come over to our onions and put down some Worcestershire sauce. Put a little bit on our steak too. That ball. Move our steak over here. Let it finish. Continue cooking. We're going to scrape this side off where we're going to put down our potatoes. Put down some more bacon up. Okay, we've got our potatoes. We slit down the center and push the ends in. And now we're going to put them face side down. And hot. Come in here. These in bacon grease good. We're gonna mash them. Gonna add a little bit of butter to our onions. A little bit of garlic as well. Add another stir. Over. Don't worry if the potatoes fall apart like these did. The cheese will help hold them together. This one's kind of falling apart and is a lost cause as far as looks go, but it's still going to eat okay. Take some butter. Put on the potatoes. some sour cream.
Garlic and herb seasoning on this. Some black pepper. Now with some cheese. We're going to start topping it with our onions. Steak. Put on some more cheese. These for just a few seconds. We're using the dome and some water to help melt the cheese. Green onion. Please like, comment, and share. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. And there you have it, loaded smashed baked potato.